Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I'm ready to go out and conquer the blackberries and other bushes in our yard, I pull on this pair of leather gloves from wfkwcxw. We have a ton of blackberries with thorns that we're trying to clear out from our property, and normally my arms just get completely torn up. These work really well and are thorn resistant. As I pull these blackberry bushes, lots of thorns are tearing against the gloves, and you can see that there is minimal damage to them. So this is going to last me for more than one season. I got the size medium. These fit me a little loosely, which I prefer because that means that I can wear my fitness tracker ring underneath without having to worry about it being too tight. These reach to about mid elbow on me, and I love that there is a reinforced palm, again, because I'm tearing these bushes out by hand. There's a lot of wear on that, and this is going to help them to last longer and be durable. They are soft and comfortable inside, even with the seams. I've had no issues with wearing them at all. If you are doing any kind of work out in the yard, these are must-have gloves. I love them, and that's my point of view.